As I have informed you that we are requesting Major General from Delhi to come over here, and I told that he is from your place. At least you will come to know that Baba what is exactly going on. I am very happy that today he has explained properly, and from yesterday evening we are together, our MLAs, MPs and all, and we are working on that. And today they have given, instead of 3 locations, what we have found, one more location is also last we got. But as I told you that one is struck, one is that pole, and I am thinking that one more that gas tanker cabin also may be there. That they will tonight they will work on that, and they will come to know, and they will give us a exact picture to the district administration and police department. And you should not think that Baba something we are doing fishy or all these things. I told you the day one we Arjun as thinking as a brother. Why I have told you this? Because of 17,000 liters of the oxygen was supplied to that particular cabin if it is intact, and the person can alive up to 6 days. On that basis, wherever your person has told us, Baba, you have to try on that landsliding place. I have requested the day one that we will try on riverbed side. But he has told that no, this is indicating here only on GPS of this Banz vehicle. Okay, Bharat Banz. Then we have agreed and accepted. And apart from that, you know that another 2 people from our side, all who is running that hotel, till now we are not finding him or his body also. So we are working not only Kerala or Karnataka, we are working together, and we pray for that. At least we should get something from that Baba particular this thing of body or alive, whatever it may be. So we are trying for that, and Balan Sahab, Indra Balan Sahab is giving feedings tomorrow, and apart from that, we have requested him till from Konkan Railway Bridge to Gangavali River Bridge, till the spot we will get the depth of the river, so that we can, if you want to bring the dredger or something like that, we will bring that also. Till today, we don't have that draft of the particular river. Once we got the draft of the river, we will do that also. And as I told you, today also one more vehicle has come. Now, what we are doing, as rightly I said, I am trying where the hotel is actually located, down 3 feet, his house was there. Whose house was there? Jagannath's house. Okay, Lakshman and Jagannath's house was there. It is the down below of hotel edge. Now my impression is whether our Arjun along with these 2 people are they are come for tea or something, snacks or something like that. If they are come for the breakfast, they may be here also. Now with all efforts, tonight we are working on that, and we are removing all the mud towards riverbed. Tomorrow, Navy people will try to go inside with the diving people if the water current is maximum 3 nautical miles. Today's position is 8 nautical miles, as sir told you. Now we are trying, it is not feasible. Because of the searching, the reason one more person should not be in the risk. You got my point. No, it is a practical. We have to understand on that. Now we will try this particular area wherein we are getting some clue because of coconut trees were there, then plantation was there, then mango tree was there. That also at least we will try now tonight. And tomorrow again we will take the sounding from that bridge to this particular spot, and we will try to bring dredger. The dredger person also came, and he has seen and he has discussed with Balan Sahab, and our MLA also was there, and MP was also there in the hotel. They have discussed with them. Okay. On top of that, pontoon. That pontoon also we will try to bring from one place, Goa. That pontoon is also available. Only we are not getting the stability to keep the pontoon properly in the river, since the underwater current is more. Okay. And today, you know that yesterday, I think, in the session, there was a big hangama that we are not working. I'm telling you, my friends, I have not worked for my election this much. Only because of the, you have told that 6 days a person can allow, for that we have worked 24/7. But the complaint was there in the media also. Please, you also say in media what is actual thing, Baba, that we are there in the spot or not. Okay, thank you.